Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This is on comparing and ordering numbers, more of comparing numbers at primary 2, numbers to 1000, whole numbers. Now we are looking at this textbook Primary Mathematics 2A, the reference pages for comparing numbers to 1000, pages 14, pages 15, pages 16, pages 17, okay, and 18, 19. Okay, so these are the relevant pages for the topic, the segment on comparing numbers, the learning objective for comparing numbers in chapter number 1, whole numbers, numbers to 1000. All right, okay, you can see that I've colored my base 10 place value mat in the same color tones as the one in the book. The green is in the primary 3 textbook, the greens for thousands. So you can actually use this template all the way to primary 3, but of course that's just 1000 here. Okay, I put this 1000 here so you can see the representation. Now, so here's how to use this template. I'm going to use some examples from here. So first of all, you can choose to write down two numbers. Okay, for example, you have two numbers here. Let's go with 165, 165. That's 100, 6 tens and 5 ones, and 157. Okay, so 157. This is an example from the textbook, page 17 over here. Okay, so you can do this as a daily practice at home. Get an adult to give you the two numbers, or you can roll a dice to come up with two numbers, or you can ask your friend to give you two numbers, or sibling to give you two numbers. Okay, so here are the two numbers I've given to you. The first one here, 165, I can shape with my marker a square. Okay, that stands for 100, and 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 sticks of 10. This is not very neat. Let me just do it again. 6 sticks of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 sticks of 10 and then 5 ones. Okay, then you do similarly for the next one. So over here, this is the base 10 set for the second number. So I can compare up to this number, two numbers for this template. 5 sticks of 10. Okay, and then 7 ones. Okay, so when you're comparing numbers, you need to start from the biggest place first. That's the hundreds place. So in the 100 place, you see, you compare the hundreds. 100 here is equal to 100 here. So both numbers are 100. So you need to go on to the next place, which is the tens to compare. So at the tens place, you can see that over here, there's 6 tens here. So it says 6 tens here. Okay, and this one has got 5 tens. So when you compare the tens, 6 tens is greater than 5 tens. So in other words, 165 is greater than 157. Now, once you have compared the bigger place, so you go place by place. When the hundreds are same, compare the tens. So from the tens, you already can identify the bigger one. You do not have to go on to the ones place. So I can already fill in 157 is smaller than 165. Okay, now this is a very important symbol that you learn at primary 2 that gives you directions of which is the bigger number. Okay, so this is one example of how to use this template. Two numbers, draw out the base 10 blocks, shake them to compare. look at the which stands out, and then write down the comparison. Okay, now there are very many different numbers you can try practicing with in different variations. So do it like a regular daily practice so you can have strong basics in your place value. Okay, so let's say if I try another number and move on to say the one example here. Okay, I have these numbers here. You see, this one don't have any blocks for you to try out. Okay, hopefully by then, so much practice, this is something that you are already able to do without the base 10 blocks. Okay, but let's say we have these three numbers. Let me compare them. Say I compare the first two numbers, 723 and 809. So I can have 723 and 809. Okay, so similarly, I can shade the base 10 blocks, or I can color them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or circle them, I mean. So this is 700s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Okay, so that's here. And for this one, 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can already see that I have a extra 100 more here. Okay, this one compare. No tens and then 9 ones. Okay, so I can circle as well. I don't have to shade everything. It kind of saves on the markering as well. So from here, I can already see, I compare the hundreds. 800 is already greater than 700. So I can already write down 809 is greater than 723 without even comparing the next two places, because the biggest place here has the greatest value. Okay, then 723 is smaller than 809. Okay, so this is comparing the first number, 723 and 809. Okay, I could continue to compare another number, 812. Okay, with 809 here. So 812, you can see at the hundreds place the equal value. If I were to circle my place value base 10 blocks, I can also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, see? 8. The number of hundreds is the same. So I compare, go on to the ones place, the tens place. Here, there's 0 tens, there's 1 10 here. So at the tens place, that's small. So 812. Okay, so 2 ones. 2 ones. 812 is greater than 809, and 809 is smaller than 812. Okay, so this is how to use the template. This is the template for comparing numbers. Now, if you can compare numbers, then the next challenge will be arranging them in order. Okay, so, well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.